up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time tuning in. It is currently Wednesday, September 8th, and I am sitting outside of Kroger. Y'all, the deals are so good this week at Kroger. So good. A new mega event started today, and the deals are straight fire. I'm so excited to share this haul with y'all, and so excited that I forgot my dang paper coupons at home. I could literally kick myself that I forgot them. And I'm feeling a little bit lazy, so I don't want to go back and get them. But I did plan on doing 2 deals with manufacturer's coupons. So I will still share those in this video, so that way you guys can score. But I'll have to come back another day and grab those deals. Also, y'all, before I head into the store, I wanted to make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel. Please make sure you are subscribed and turn that notification bell on so that way you don't miss any of my hauls. And finally, y'all, I wanted to apologize. As we can see, I forgot my paper coupons. My car's a mess. My life's a mess. I'm a little unorganized right now. And there's good reason for that. Or maybe I'm making an excuse. But as you'll see it towards the end of the video, when I'm back in my stockpile room, I'm working on something. And it's something I'm actually really excited to share with you guys because I get a lot of questions about it. So I think it'll be pretty good content for y'all. And I'll talk a little bit more about it at the end of the video. And then also, y'all, I will be drawing the winner of the $50 Kroger gift card. So I want to thank you all again who entered that. And yeah, y'all, let's head into the store. I can't wait.
All right, y'all, let's start off by talking about the Kroger Mega Event and what that exactly is. So the Kroger Mega Event is where you get $1 off of each participating item. The minimum amount of participating items you must buy is 5. So any additional after 5, it doesn't matter. You can buy 8, you can buy 50, you can buy 100. You'll get $1 off of each one, but you must buy at least 5. And y'all, you'll be able to tell if they are participating if they have a sign that says save $1 each when you buy 5 or more. Every product will be marked on the shelves that is a participating item. So here is an example. These Carefree Breathe pads are normally $2.99, but with a mega event, they will be $1.99. So I'm gonna grab 2, and then of course I'm gonna buy 3 participating other mega event items. So again, I'm gonna buy 2 of these at $1.99. I'm gonna clip the $3 off 2 digital coupon found in the Kroger app. I'm gonna pay 49 cents out of pocket for each one and get back $1 for each one on Rebate, making each pack free plus a 51-cent moneymaker. For this next deal, you can grab either 1 pack of these Skintimate razors that are $5.49 after mega event savings, or you can grab 1 pack of these Schick Extreme 2 sensitive razors that are also $5.49 after mega event savings. Then you want to clip the $4 off 1 digital coupon found in the Kroger app, and that'll leave you to pay $1.49 out of pocket. Then we're going to upload our receipt to Rebate, where we're going to get back $2 for our pack of razors, making it free plus a 51-cent moneymaker. Here is a super simple overage deal that you can do this week. You want to grab 1 pack of these Bic Solil Simply Smooth razors. They're on sale for $3.69, but after the mega event, they're only $2.69. There is a $3 digital coupon in the Kroger app. So at checkout, this is going to be free, plus give us 31 cents overage to apply to the remainder of our cart. Next, I'm going to share one of the deals that I wanted to do with paper coupons. These Danimal Smoothie yogurt drinks are on sale for $2.49. After mega event savings, they are $1.49. We have $2 paper coupons. I believe they came out in the, 8 save, I believe. So then that would give us 51 cents overage per pack of the Danimal Smoothie yogurts that you buy. So the second deal that I was going to do with paper coupons was for this Crest toothpaste. Some of the boxes are $1.99 after mega event savings. And we have a $2 off 1 paper coupon that came in the September P&G inserts. So that would make the box free, plus give you 1 cent in overage to apply to the remainder of your cart. The limit on that coupon is 2, so you could grab 2 boxes, use 2 coupons, and get them both for free and 2 cents in total overage. Now, I also get asked sometimes where I get my paper coupons. I have in the description a link where you can get the internet printable coupons, and I also share who I actually order my paper coupons from, so be sure to check her out on Instagram. That is also where you can order them from. Here is a pretty good deal on this, oh man, I'm gonna butcher it, Daya plant-based sliced cheese. It is on sale for $3.99. It is part of the mega event, making it $2.99. On Ibotta, we have a $2.50 rebate for it. Plus, it also attached to the 10-cent spreadable cheese. So a total of $2.60 back, making one pack of these just 39 cents. I think that's a pretty good deal for this. Okay, so these super coffees are our big hitter of the week. They're going to be a pretty big moneymaker for us. So I can see why they only had 3 left. And the deal is you're going to buy 2 of these at $1.49 after mega event savings. You're going to get back $1 when you buy 2 on Ibotta, $1 for each one on Kroger Cashback, and $2 for each one when you text your receipt to aisle. So both of these are going to be free, plus a $4.02 moneymaker. So this awesome deal is back at Kroger. These Crystal Light packets are on sale for $1.99. They're also part of the mega event, making them 99 cents. And then we have that 75-cent Ibotta rebate, which is going to make each box just 24 cents. And y'all, this is definitely a stock up price for me because my boyfriend Matt goes through these like water. Do y'all get it? Let's grab 2 of these Rowdy energy drinks for free. These Rowdy energy drinks are $2.49. We have a $1 Ibotta rebate with a limit of 2. The matching Kroger Cash Back offer as well, a $1 limit of 2. And then we're also going to get back 50 cents on aisle for each one, so that makes them completely free. All right, y'all, for our final deal, we're going to do a swag bucks deal. These Bertolli pastas are on sale for $3.99 and also part of the mega event, so just $2.99 each. On swag bucks, there is an offer for 600 swag bucks when you buy 2, so that's $6. So we're going to buy 2 at $2.99, get back that $6, making both free. I am going to upload these on a separate receipt, so that way it may make it a little bit easier for swag bucks to find them and give me the credit. All right, y'all, I'm all finished up. I have a total of 16 items in my cart. It would have been closer to 20 if I had remembered my paper coupons, but that's okay. That should mean a pretty smooth transaction at checkout. So I'm going to head that way and see how it goes.
All right, y'all, I'm back home and up in my couponing room. I wanted to go over how my transaction went in store and how it went uploading my receipt to the rebate apps. But before I do, I wanted to announce the winner of the $50 Kroger gift card. And that winner is Jennifer Arnold. Jennifer, if you could please email me, I'll be sure to get your prize right over to you. And also, I wanted to thank everyone who participated and remind you guys to make sure that you take advantage of those 35% Fluz vouchers that you got for using my code. Again, if you go to CVS and get a $10 gift card, that's $3.50 that you get back, and that is just an amazing percent of cash back. And I just wanted to thank Fluz again for helping me with this giveaway. All right, y'all, let's get into the details of the transaction. Okay, let's talk about how my transaction went in store. So since I didn't use any paper coupons, I was hoping for a really smooth transaction at checkout. Unfortunately, I hit one pretty big snag that I want to talk about, and that is I bought in total 14 participating mega event items. However, at checkout, only $12 came off. So essentially, 2 items did not count as mega event, even though they rang up as mega event at checkout, if that makes sense. So instead of getting 14 additional dollars off, I only got 12. And so once I got my receipt, I was able to see where that little hiccup occurred. And the first one was the Bic razors. So the dollar did not come off for that. And second was one of the Carefree pads. So one did have the dollar come off and one did not. So I paid $1.99 for one and $2.99 for the other. All the digital coupons came off just fine. I just had that hiccup where 2 of the savings event dollars did not come off. So luckily the cashier entered $2 for me additional off. At first she was like, well, you got great deals on those. And I want to be like, and? Like my $2 was supposed to come off. Like, just a good deal is not good for me. But luckily she did just take an additional $2 off. So that kind of resolved that. So do be mindful of that if you're doing those deals, that the additional dollar may not come off on the Carefree pads and the dollar may not come off on the Bic. Not too sure why. Sometimes the system may just be a little picky. So other than that, that all worked out. And then I uploaded my receipt to Ibotta, where I got back, I think, $13.35, plus I got an additional $1 bonus. But keep in mind, y'all, I don't include my Ibotta bonuses in the total amount that I've made in my hauls. I do include, like, if we bought 2 packs of cheese, we got a 50-cent bonus. I do include those, but I never include like my midweek or weekend warrior bonuses for you guys, because I want to give y'all an accurate depiction of what you can expect to make on these hauls. So that's not included, but got back $13.35 plus that dollar. And then on Swagbucks, we got $6 right away for the pasta sauce, so that was nice. Aisle has received my receipt, so I'm waiting on that. Again, y'all, be patient with Aisle. Still a lot of people signing up and using the app with a lot of growing pains. But they did receive that, so I should get my credit within the next 24 hours or so. And then Kroger Cash Back, it looks like both cash back offers that I have are processing, so I should receive that within the next few days as well. So all in all, after rebates, it was around almost a $5 moneymaker haul. So again, another successful haul this week. Stoked about it. Wish I would have had my paper coupons, but like I said before, is what it is and it happens. And finally, I want to talk about what you've probably noticed in my coupon room is that my shelves are empty here. I am gearing up for a stockpile sale, not this weekend, but the following weekend. So I'm actually a little bit ahead of the game in getting organized. So my shelves are empty. I've got everything downstairs getting ready to go, because I even have some people coming this weekend to take a look at and see what I have. So gearing up for that, I get a lot of questions on how to basically run a stockpile sale and what you need to do and what you price everything at. So I'm going to be bringing that to you guys here within the next couple weeks. Going to try to have an Excel sheet with what I price my items at in a stockpile sale, where I get my supplies for the stockpile sale, how I advertise. Going to be bringing that to you guys very soon. So stay tuned for that. I am stoked about that as well. All right, y'all, I'm signing off for the night. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.